It's Tuesdays with Tom. Tuesdays with Tom.
Is it gonna be good?
It's gonna be great. Let's all learn about the Fairlane Estate. It's Tuesdays with Tom.
Hello, and welcome to Fairlane, home of Clara and Henry Ford here in Dearborn, Michigan. My name is Tom Schuster, and I'm Fairlane's preservation craftsman. You can see I'm not in the house. I'm in a Ford F-150 Raptor R. It is part of our raffle. It's the main gift for our raffle, and I am super excited that I'm going to win this thing. I am so excited.
Tom,
yeah.
Tom, you are not eligible to win.
Wait,
the Raptor.
I can't hear you over this 700 horsepower engine.
Tom, you're an employee. You're not eligible to win the Raptor.
Then I cannot wait for my kids to win this Raptor.
Unfortunately, your children are also not eligible to win the Raptor.
Then I'm really excited that someone watching this video could possibly win the
Raptor.
Raptor.
There you go.
I like it.
Absolutely.
So how do we go about winning the Raptor?
So you can visit our website. We've got a whole web page dedicated to the sweepstakes, winning this truck. We have a monthly mini sweepstakes, so different prizes that you can win every month.
What will be this month?
For August, we are giving away a remote control F-150 from Traxxas.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
And my next question is, so people have a general idea of value, what is the window sticker on this? Because I looked, but I'll let you tell everyone.
The window sticker on this is over $115,000.
So over $115,000 for raffle tickets. How much are the tickets? I know, so they know before we go to link. There's varying stages, right? Like you get 18 tickets for $25, and then as you build up the price, you'll build up, you get more tickets. So please, if you want one of these, and they're hard to get. It's not like you can just go and order one. They're really hard to get. There's a long waiting list. They're really cool. I'm not allowed to drive it except in the parking lot, but it is really cool even in the parking lot to drive around. And what else do people need to know about the raffle? Oh, when do we pick? And
Sure, yeah. So we always offer a promo code every month. So we've hit July. We're running 50% additional tickets all the way through until December. December, we hop up to 100%. I will add that I was just on the phone with a dealer this morning here in Southeast Michigan, and they get 1 to 2 maybe a year as an allocation. So this really is a tough vehicle to get. And
we will be drawing your name if you buy tickets when?
We're drawing the winner on January 8th, 2026. Purchases have to be made by December 30th, 2025.
So please, and we'll put a link in the video too, right?
Yeah.
So we'll have a link in the video for you to buy tickets. Please get your tickets. It helps a wonderful cause. It helps our restoration. It helps us keep going on the house and getting it ready for spring of 2027 or early summer of 2027 when our doors will be open. And it helps pay all of our salaries, which we also like. And so we appreciate if you go out and buy as many tickets as you possibly can, and you could win this beautiful truck. Thank you, Giles.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, folks, and we'll see you in 2 weeks.